In this video, we are going to explore the error code or fault F1 and F6 in air conditioning systems. Let's start by saying that the error code or fault F1 and F6 in air conditioning systems are usually associated with issues with the outdoor air temperature sensor that passes through the condenser. These codes are typically displayed on the air conditioning control panel. The outdoor temperature sensor provides information to the control board about the temperature of the air entering the condenser. This information is used to regulate the operation of the compressor, which is responsible for circulating the refrigerant throughout the system. The most common cause of the F1 and F6 codes is related to problems with the defective sensor. The sensor may be loose, damaged, corroded, or simply not functioning correctly. Take the following actions. A. Check the sensor's position, loose or damaged cables. B. Rule out a short circuit or open connection in the sensor. C. Rule out a misaligned sensor. D. Rule out a failure in the control board. To diagnose the problem, perform the following steps. 1. The first step in diagnosing problems with the sensor is to check the cables. Ensure that the cables are correctly connected to the sensor and the control board. If the cables are in good condition, you can test the sensor itself. 2. To test the sensor, you will need a multimeter and disconnect the sensor from the board. 3. Set the multimeter to resistance mode on the kiloohm scale. 4. The resistance reading will vary depending on the sensor's temperature. To do this, rub the sensor with your hand to add heat, then, the resistance reading should change on the multimeter. 5. If you have the equipment's maintenance manual, compare the multimeter values with the values the sensor should have. For an accurate reading, it is important to test the sensor at the same temperature it would have during normal operation. For example, if the sensor is located in the outdoor unit, test it when the outdoor temperature is similar to the temperature at which the air conditioner normally operates. 6. If the resistance reading is outside the manufacturer's specifications, the sensor is defective and needs to be replaced. Once the old sensor has been removed, you can install the new sensor. Make sure to tighten the screws firmly to prevent the sensor from loosening. 7. The sensor reading should never be 0, ruling out a short circuit, nor infinite, ruling out an open circuit. It should always provide a value. Use the kiloohm scale. 8. Verify with the multimeter the correct voltage supplied to the sensor. With the sensor connected, the measurement should be close to 2.5 volts.